Today we got a video from Uncovered, and the title of the video is Police Surprise Abusive Daughter Terrorizing Her Parents.
Dad, please don't let them do this.
She assaulted her parents for refusing to help her violate her probation and go see her boyfriend past her curfew, leading to a much-deserved arrest after police arrived to teach her a lesson. On November 22nd, Clay County deputies were called to a home in Louisville about a domestic dispute between the callers and their daughter. A confiscated phone led to a fight after the suspect's parents were refusing to let her see her boyfriend. Officers arrive and speak with the family, who all wish to press charges, except the suspect's mother.
So what did you see take place?
Me and her were standing in the hallway, and she slammed my dad's bedroom door and shoved him up against the door, and my mom and dad yelled at me to call you guys, so I did.
Okay, so who were we talking about that did this?
JC.
She's on a 10 o'clock curfew for 18 months. Even after she's 18,
And they will not let me.
Nobody told you.
I'll come out here and talk to him.
Nobody told you that. You couldn't leave.
I don't want to be in there around her.
Yeah, I don't blame you.
She said you told her to go up there and get an OP on him. He never done that to her. And I said, that's fine, JC.
I offered her the opinion too.
I said, if you do that, I said, that's fine. It's got to go in front of a judge. You got to have proof. He never done nothing to you. So we come home and she wanted her phone. I said, give me your phone. She wanted me to drop her off up there at her boyfriend's. I said, I'm not dropping you off anywhere. Your probation deal's at 10 o'clock. I'm not having no part of that. You want to leave, you do it on your own. So I went, laid back down in bed. She come in there, took her mom's phone from her.
Okay.
And Cindy got her phone back, and Cindy had it under her foot, and she shoved her mom up in the corner and was sitting there and shoving her mom against the door in the corner of the wall. And I got over there and I took the phone up out of her hands and told her to quit. And I told him, I said, call the cops. I want her out of my house.
Okay.
Cindy won't press charges on her, but I just want her to go anywhere but here.
Did she make any contact with you?
Yeah.
Did she push you open-handed or punch you? Or
No, she didn't punch me. She was shoving at me.
Okay. Where'd she shove your ass?
On my chest. But that was already on
That
me.
was already on there.
But yeah, she just shoved me. I mean, like I said, she just needs to quit.
Think Cindy will come out here and talk to me?
Yeah.
Okay. So what happened?
She wouldn't give me my phone.
Okay.
So she had it in her pocket on her pants. So I grabbed it and she was just fighting over my phone.
Okay. So she pushed you up in the corner?
Yeah.
You got any marks on you?
No.
That you know of? So you just have to check.
Just old lady skin.
Okay. All right. Did you want to press charges on her at all?
No, I don't want her to go. I don't want to press charges. She's got enough on her. I hate
She called
to.
me a fat one more time.
I know. She keeps calling me names, you names.
Vince, I'm gonna ride here.
Okay.
I don't give a shit what you gotta do.
I go.
Violence.
And she shoved me, and she shoved her.
Cussing at me.
Yeah, that's one thing, you know, if you two want to do something with her pushing with you, we can do
My
charges.
deal is, she says, I'm gonna have to pay her fine. She said, you guys told her I was gonna have to pay her fine because I cost her a job. I said, I'm not paying your fine. But I don't want her in my house.
She also said she was going to kill herself.
Yeah, she did say she.
If we didn't give her weed, she was gonna kill herself.
That reminds me of giving that weed that she had, or whatever that shit is.
Yeah, we can take it for sure. So, all right. Well, I'll go call the state's attorney and see what he wants to do because I know neither one of you are wanting to press charges, but I've got enough witnesses and everything. You know, if there's marks on one of you, then it would be I can take her no matter
I
what.
don't have any marks, but
But-
she just, her deal is she's drunk, mouthing, she won't shut up.
Yeah.
I'm trying to go to bed. I'm tired.
Say I just got off the phone with state's attorney. The heck? Sounds like it.
It is.
But what we're going to do is go ahead and take her to jail. So she's going to spend the night. She might get an NTA probably tomorrow after she sobers up, but we're going to hold her on just like a basic battery since neither one of you are wanting to do anything. So, all right.
See, so the thing is that the real reason he got enough is just because of the independent witness, right? The independent witness. Now the parents, they're two separate people, right? But they're the parents, right? So they're probably gonna go along with each other just because, right? But the fact that the brother, who necessarily wasn't involved with this phone incident thing, says it agrees with the parents, because you got the parents and then you got her side, and she gonna probably say she ain't did nothing wrong, right? And then you got the parents saying that she's chaotic, she's yada yada yada, but you got the brother who's right in the middle, and he sides with the parents. Got enough to take her.
I'll go and break the news to her and take her up there. So,
Sorry about this.
no problem.
I'll go back up there.
All right, JC, go ahead and put your hands behind your back, okay? I'll be arrested for just simple battery at this point in time. Neither one of them want to press charges. This coming from the state's attorney himself. So.
You need to quit drinking and you need to quit smoking pot because you do this.
You're literally letting me go back to jail again, and this time I can't get out, Dad.
I can tell you, sometimes this is the best
Okay,
thing.
but he just told me that it wasn't gonna happen.
He didn't know what was
He
going on.
didn't talk to the state's attorney like I did, okay?
Dad, are you?
Sorry, he's the boss.
Yeah, he's the boss of us.
How
So
long am I gonna be in here for?
probably NTA tomorrow. You'll be let out tomorrow,
You should
but you're
let
staying
me.
over the night.
I can't, please,
Yep,
Dad.
you're
I'm
going to.
begging you, Dad. I can't. I'm gonna have a panic attack and end up in the hospital. I can't, Dad. I can't.
You're all right.
I can't.
Come on.
Hold on,
Sit down
please.
for a minute.
Yeah, hold on. Dad, please don't let them do this.
It's you did it.
I didn't even hurt, Mom. I was trying to call Mason.
It don't matter
Ethan
what
just
you're
told
trying to
me.
You didn't shove
I
your mom.
wasn't
Don't
shoving,
shove
Mom.
your
I was trying. This is what happened, and I'm gonna be honest. Mom even told me I didn't shove him, and she even said that to him, though,
You
Dad.
got me to the point I've told you already. I don't want you in the house no more because of the things you do.
But I
can't
haven't done
disrespect your
anything
parents, and
besides
I do
sit
not
there
like-
at the table and let you yell at me.
do not
Besides
like
when you
drugs.
don't.
I do not like drugs.
Am I allowed to go pee before we leave? Or I'm
No,
gonna-
we'll do the same thing, all right? Let's get you up and get you out in the car. Come on.
Dad,
You're gonna have to grow up.
Yep.
can I walk on my own at least?
I've got to
Just
hang
so
on
my
to you.
sister
I got to
doesn't-
hang on to you, okay? I'll block it with you being in handcuffs so I'm in charge of it, okay?
Can I give my mom a hug? Bye. Can my mom hug me? Bye, please.
You want to give her a hug?
Mom, can you give me a hug? Bye.
You'll be all right.
No, I
just gotta shake up.
because I'm going to jail
You'll
for
be all right.
tonight.
It'll be
Mom,
okay.
I can't do this. I promise. Mom, I can't. Mom, hold on. Mom, Dad, can I
Just
have a hug for
deep
me?
breath.
I love you.
Dad, I
You're
can't.
gonna have to get off the drugs and alcohol.
I can't. Dad, you're literally. No, because Dusty's videoing me. I can't. Dusty's videoing. I'm not dumb. Then tell him to quit videoing. Let me.
Come on.
Can
Let's
we
go.
walk this way? Can we walk this way? Literally videoing me.
Sorry, guys.
He's videoing me. What am I supposed to do about that? Dad, hold on. Before we go. Dad,
Come on,
what
come on,
time
we're
is
done.
I coming out?
I'll be up to them tomorrow, okay? I come out at 2, so if it's before then, they'll let you out. They'll probably let you out in the
I
morning.
don't understand what's going on. Can we talk before I get in the car?
After you sit in the car, we can.
Okay. I just don't understand what's going on.
Nothing on you like the first time?
You can check me, I'll let you. And then I
All right, step on in
don't
there.
have a roller, obviously. Can you tell me what's going
Yep, I will as soon as we get you buckled in, okay?
on? These 13. I can't.
I can get my finger in there. We're good, okay? We're not going to be comfortable. All right, so what we're going for tonight is just a simple battery, okay? Because you made contact with your dad and your mom both, and that's what
That's
they
the
both told
thing,
me.
is that I never did. This is what actually happened. Like,
Well, I've got
I'm not
3
gonna touch
witnesses.
you.
I got 3
No,
witnesses
my
that are saying other.
Dusty wasn't even in there.
Okay.
Dusty's trying to get me in trouble, and he's been trying to get me in trouble all night. I'm being so serious. This is gonna make me lose my job, and I can't have
Yeah.
it. I can't.
It's a simple battery. Your mom and dad are not wanting to press charges,
I know,
okay?
Madison, dude, I can't lose my job over this. Going to jail and 2 times a night.
It won't
I'll
go
lose
if
my jail.
your parents don't want to do anything. It won't go anywhere.
I'll lose
You know-
my job no matter
You know how
what,
many
because
times
I'm
we've
already
had
on the
domestic?
app.
It's not.
They've
It's not
already-
going to be a domestic.
They've already seen it on the app. It's already been screenshotted.
It's not on the app. We don't put that on
Well,
the app.
someone's already had my mugshot because it's screenshotted and posted on someone's story. And me
Well,
and
I don't
my
know how
dad
they would've
seen
got it when you were
I don't
released.
know either. And I don't
So-
even have my phone.
So that's why you're going tonight, okay? The state's attorney.
Well, don't worry about the app. We got you on YouTube. No, don't worry. Don't worry about the app. We got you on YouTube. You don't even gotta worry about that app, man. Don't worry about it.
wants you held over the evening since you're still intoxicated. I can tell you are. And
Can
you're
I
going to
take
be
a
a problem.
breathalyzer right here?
No.
Wait, I want to know what my thing is, because I know I'm really not. It's not even that. The thing that makes me upset is the most is that I was literally sitting at the table, okay? And I was sitting like, okay, I'm not going to do anything, but I was sitting like this, literally at the table, and I had my hands like this in front of my hand. And Dusty just started screaming at me, and I didn't know what to do. And of course, whenever someone screams at me, I'm going to yell back.
Yeah.
I just don't know anymore. Because I didn't even touch anyone. The phone literally fell like I want to say like this far from my foot, and I didn't even touch it.
All right,
I just
before you go any further, I'm going to go ahead and advise you of your rights again, okay?
Okay.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you can or say can will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to an attorney or a lawyer and have him or her present with you while you are being questioned. If you cannot afford or hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. After hearing those, do you understand those rights? Okay, 15.
Is there a way I can talk to my mom and dad before I actually go for sure? Because
Not
I
right now.
don't really want to leave.
So what happened?
Separation anxiety.
What happened with the phone?
My mom's phone. I'm being dead serious. This is literally what happened. She was standing at the door, literally like right here, and I was standing like right here. And I had my feet like this, and nothing literally happened. I dropped the phone because I was on the phone and I was talking, and I dropped the phone, so I picked it up. My dad literally shoved me, and my mom said stop. And like, I don't know if the person heard me on the phone, but my dad literally told her to stop and everything. I don't know.
All right, so your mom's saying that you put hands on her.
I know.
So she's saying you put hands on her.
Can I talk to her?
Rusty's also saying that you put hands on her and him.
I'm having a bad
So that
panic
is-
attack. I want
that
to
is
talk
why you're
to
going,
my mom
okay?
real quick, please. That's all I
We're
need.
past that, okay?
I just need to talk to my
We'll get you up there and we'll get everything finished,
All I
okay?
want to do is talk
So
to
just so you know, it'll be just like last time. You'll be put in the cell by yourself, so you can just go in there and go to sleep, okay?
I can't sleep without talking to my mom. Is there a way I can talk
Not at
to
this
her
point.
for
Put your feet in, okay?
Is there a way that I can at least have some... Hold on.
You can make a phone call possibly when you get up there,
Okay,
okay?
but listen, I literally have to pee so bad. I don't think I can hold it. Is there a way?
Just
that
swing in, we'll get up there. I'll
It's
hold
either
back.
that or I'm gonna pee myself. Dude, I don't know.
Hurry up and get in there. We're wasting all this time. We could have already been up there. Come on, put your feet in.
Please talk for us.
Put your feet in. Nope, we're past that.
How long do you think I'll be in here for?
I'll be let out after breakfast.
What's that mean?
Breakfast is at 5, so it'll probably be 7 o'clock or something like that.
This is stupid.
Hey, you get a free
I wanna go
breakfast.
home when I get
Free
there
meal.
If I can, please. It wouldn't mean a lot.
All right, Jesse, pull this up and over, okay?
Look at that. Sleeping like a baby. Cried herself to sleep.
Deputy Daly.
Just like a child.
I'm back in there.
I'll need your shoes.
The suspect was charged with domestic battery and violation of a probation order. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a
Yeah. Crazy, man. Crazy. You can't commit battery, retrieving, personal property, if it's not in a theft scenario, you know what I mean? So you just drunk, high, out of whack. Hopefully she could get it together, man. Get it together. Cause all these little charges and she worried about being on the app and this and that. It starts off little things and then they just build up. And then she ends up snapping. But anyways, yeah, so overall I get a cops 5 out of 5, man. They were very patient. All that talking at the end and everything, her just delaying the time to go to jail or whatever. I mean, I'm like, damn, I wouldn't keep talking to her, but whatever. But overall, 5 out of 5 for me. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.